Hello, friends, and not yet friends. Welcome back to Mary's Test Kitchen, where we're making classic macaroni salad with a little more green than usual to go alongside even more fun foods like our Nashville hot tofu. Check that one out after if you haven't already. It's tofu for people who don't even like tofu. But who doesn't like macaroni salad? No one, that's who. Let's start by chopping up vegetables. There are the classic mac salad veggies, and then there's whatever you have in your fridge at the time to use up. So that's where this half a tomato comes in. The sweet and tangy flavor of tomato is really good, so even though I added this just because I had some on hand at the time, now I try to add it to all my mac salads. Next, a red bell pepper. We'll use just under half. Then celery. And about a tablespoon's worth of sliced or chopped red onion. For one batch, use 2 cups of cooked cold macaroni noodles, which is the equivalent of 1 cup of dry uncooked noodles. Then, if you have it handy, about a cup packed full of chopped spinach, to which you'll want to add a half cup of vegan mayo, any kind you like, really. And if you want to make your own, why not try my Aquafaba mayo? Link in the description. Add a teaspoon or 2 of prepared mustard, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and the same amount of either red wine vinegar or white vinegar. And the same for maple syrup as well. Mix that really well, and then we can add dry seasonings. A half a teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder. And then, other than salt and pepper, you can really add whatever seasonings you want to use up from your cupboard. This is your macaroni salad, and there are no rules. Just make sure to taste as you go. After you mix that really well, you can serve this macaroni salad right away, or it's even better the next day after the flavors have really gotten a chance to get to know each other. And there you go, classic vegan macaroni salad with just a couple of extra things for flavor and the all-important nutrients. It only took me, almost a year to finally type up this recipe for you. I linked the blog post with the printable recipe in the description box below as always. Thanks for your patience to anyone who asked for this recipe way back then. Are you still watching this channel? Who knows? I hope so. Well, you there. Thanks so much for watching, especially all the way to the end. Stay safe, stay home if you can, and bye for now.